Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best MIDI controller on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Avatar EMP16 MIDI controller, a versatile and portable tool designed for studio production and live performance. Let's get started. Product features: 16 RGB illuminated pads. Experience highly customizable pads with 16 lighting colors and 4 banks, giving a total of 64 assignable pads for triggering drums, samples, and MIDI signals with precision. Assignable faders, buttons, and knobs. 4 faders, 5 buttons, and 4 endless rotary knobs across 3 banks provide 12 assignable controls, giving complete hands-on manipulation of software and hardware instruments. OLED display for real-time feedback. Integrated OLED display lets you monitor and adjust settings instantly, keeping you in control of every pad, fader, and knob during creative sessions. Flexible power options. Use the EMP16 via USB connection or on the go with 2 AA batteries, allowing both desktop and mobile setups without compromising workflow. Bluetooth 5.0 wireless connectivity. Seamlessly connect to iPads, iPhones, iPod Touches, and Macs without drivers, wires, or OTG adapters, enabling effortless mobile music creation. USB MIDI and standard MIDI ports. Robust connectivity ensures smooth integration with DAWs and external MIDI gear, with included USB cable and 1/8 to MIDI adapter for plug-and-play setup. Bundled music software. Includes Cubase LE12 and Cubasis LE3, providing a ready-to-use package for music creation on PC, Mac, or iOS devices. Start producing music immediately. Expandable controls. Multiple banks for pads, faders, and knobs allow advanced users to maximize their workflow and perform complex sequences with intuitive control. Pros: highly customizable 16 RGB pads with 4 banks, 12 assignable faders, buttons, and rotary knobs, OLED display for real-time feedback, Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless iOS and Mac connectivity, USB and standard MIDI ports for broad compatibility, portable and battery-powered option for mobile use, bundled Cubase LE12 and Cubasis LE3 software. Cons: battery life depends on 2 AA battery type. Advanced users may need additional software for complex mapping. Final thoughts: the Avatar EMP16 MIDI controller combines portability, versatile controls, and seamless connectivity into one compact professional device. Its customizable RGB pads, assignable controls, and real-time feedback make it a perfect tool for musicians, producers, and performers seeking flexibility and hands-on control. Ready to elevate your music production game? The Avatar EMP16 MIDI controller is your all-in-one solution. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more top tech tools and music gear insights.